Hello friends! Today we're going to play a hidden objects game. We're looking for the hidden numbers 1 through 10. These are numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Can you find the number 1 and 2? They're hiding in this image. I see number 1 and number 2. Did you find them? These are numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Numbers 3 and 4 are hiding in this picture. Can you find them? There is number 3 and number 4. Did you find them? These are numbers 5 and 6. 5 and 6. The number 5 and number 6 are hiding in this image. Can you find them? I see number 5 and number 6. Can you see them now? These are numbers 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Number 7 and number 8 are hiding in this picture. Can you spot them? There are number 7 and 8. Were you able to find them? These are numbers 9 and 10. 9 and 10. The numbers 9 and 10 are hiding in this picture. See if you can spot them. There are numbers 9 and 10. Did you see them? Let's review the numbers we learned today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great job finding all the hidden numbers today. Now you know how to count to 10 in English. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.